Yeah, so it's I like to I'll define it in a much more I'll probably take the economic lens of it first, which is always sort of easy to define rather than, and then I'll have more kind of the technical layer. So most of the economists, when they look at AI as what does AI sort of mean, and how does that impact? So they look at it in that lens of demand supply. So mobile phones as the drop in cost of communication, and AI is basically the drop in cost of machine prediction. And so when there's a drop in cost of something, so if there's a drop in cost of tea, people buy more of tea, less of coffee, and they buy the complements, which is sugar or milk, more. And that's the interesting part of that economics of it. So when there is a drop in cost in machine prediction, people end up buying more of that, and the complement, which is human prediction, is basically that coffee and tea. And then the MLOps part of it is a movement that gets us closer and closer every day to cheap, almost automated machine prediction transactions. And that's complemented by this precise judgment and and sharpening the decision making process. So that would be my economic lens of looking into a CI/CD in MLOps. But what it technically just means is literally looking into a continuous, orchestrated, automated way of collaborating with your data scientists, with machine learning engineers or DevOps engineers in training, deploying, and continuous everything in this machine learning lifecycle.